Well, hello again and welcome to my channel. I'm Fraser from Metalworking in France. I operate a light engineering business here in southwest France. I do a bit of machining. I've got a Colchester lathe and a beaver milling machine, but also do quite a bit of welding as well and repair work, a little bit of fabrication. But anyway, lady has brought me a little project the other day, and she's got this chair. I'll show you the chair. As you can see, it's pretty rusty at the back here. A bit difficult to see from that angle. So I'll try and turn it around so that you can see it. There you go. It's pretty rusty and bent and twisted up. So I'm going to try and clean this up a little bit and re-weld this thing so that it makes it safe to sit on. She's also, at the same time, she brought me, put that down gently. She brought me a Volet, which is, it's the French word for a shutter. So this shutter, as you can see, it's a louvered shutter, metal one, and this lock bar here has actually come away from its hinge. So I'm going to have to grind the paint off of here and weld this back on. It's not too big a project, but obviously it's safety wise, it's got to be right. So follow me in the next few phases and see how this job goes. Right, well that's that ground off so that we can work on this. Now I can weld that, that'll be quite straightforward. I won't start welding yet, I'll do a little bit on the chair first. A little bit of simple panel beating just to try and get it roughly lined up. It's going to be a bit tricky because there's quite a lot of rust involved in this, but we'll see if we can get it to weld back on. Try and clean up as much as possible with the angle grinder and see if we can get this to stick together basically. Now we'll just try and line this up so that we can hold it in position to weld it in. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. It's not the easiest thing to try and hold together, but we'll try tacking that and see how we get on. So now I'm going to weld this hinge back on. It shouldn't be too bad. It's quite good material actually. It's quite clean, it's quite thick. So I shouldn't have a problem welding it really. We'll see how it goes. There we are. That doesn't seem too bad. Welds are not very pretty, but a bit difficult to weld when there's so much paint around. As you can see earlier, quite a lot of fire and flames, but that'll hold it together anyway. That's fine. Well, there you are. Not a bad little job in the end. The chair and the volet welded up. Not very pretty welds, but when you've got so much paint on something like that, it's very difficult to get a good weld. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and like if you enjoyed it. It's quite a short one this time, just a quick little job, but not too difficult. So anyway, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because it does help me an awful lot. And in the meantime, look back at some videos in the past. There's some quite interesting stuff way back in the distant past. And in the meantime, I'll bid you farewell until the next time. Goodbye.